Introducing our PVA filament. Unlike any other on the market, this support filament is water-soluble, non-toxic, odorless, and easy to extrude. In 3D printing, PVA is commonly used in printers with dual extruders like the BigRep ONE to provide support for an object with overhang geometry. PVA dissolves easily in water, freeing the object from the support structure. With PVA, you can now print objects like never before. Unleash your full potential by printing new and complex designs. For more information, please visit our website.